Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox my skincare box. It arrived yesterday, Saturday. So I'm going to go ahead and open it today. So it's from the skincare box. And what I really like about them is, or about this box, is that it is all one brand and they're all full size. It is bi-monthly, so every other month I get a box. This is my fourth box. Last month's box was Forest Rhapsody, and I have to say that was probably my favorite box that I received so far. And I did a subscription for 6 boxes, so I think this is my fourth box. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and we'll see what we have in here. And I've never had any issues with shipping or delays, so that's kind of nice. So this is what the box usually looks like. So it's from New, the skincare box, and they always put that little note there. That's cute. And I think they just won the 2020 skincare line, so that's great. Let's see what we have this month. So they always have a card that says the ritual, and it tells you what's in there as well as how to use it. And then this little card here, the self-love menu, just little steps like hydrating, 5-minute stretch, burn your favorite candle, and other little tips like that. So let's see what we have. They have a free mini lip scrub, and to scan your QR code for that from Dirty Lamb. And here's some other information. So I guess this box's brand is the Dirty Lamb. I've heard about that, but I've never haven't received any of their products. Now, if you recognize this from my collage, that's where I got the paper. So it's kind of cool. All right, let's see what we have here. The first one is, it's a chocolate coconut lip rock. So, okay, so this must be a lip scrub. Let's open it up and see. So you can see all the little sugar crystals, I imagine. Smells like chocolate too. I almost want to eat it. It smells really good. So I'm sure this is going to be fun. I'm going to try it out right now. So I will definitely be using that. That's always fun. Let's see what else we have. And again, see how these are nice and full size. So this says Apricot Cleansing Oil. So that's nice. And again, the company for this box is the Dirty Lamb. And you can see, hopefully, right there. So let's try this out here. So it comes out as an oil like that. Smells really good. Smells really good. I haven't been disappointed, I have to say, with this box. So let's see what it says. So Apricot Cleansing Oil. It says massage oil, then wash face with warm water and pat dry. And this is 2 fluid ounces. I'm not sure if you could see with the window there, but it's 2 fluid ounces, and as I said, it is full size. Let's see what else we have. Oh, so in this one there's 2 things, 2 items. So this is Ultra Night Serum. Oh, that's always nice to get something for nighttime. Just want to make sure you can see it. So that's a serum. Let's open it up and see. Nice little dropper bottle. this too, it all smells good. So this is the night serum. Says use before bed, may replace your moisturizer. Okay, so there I see that there's also an ultra day serum. So that must be what this is. Yep. The ultra day serum. And that's kind of nice. It's color coded here. So this light for day and then this darker one for night. And so that one says Ultra Day Serum, pat and massage into face, may be used as a makeup primer. So that's kind of cool too. Okay, and here's the first one, the Lip Rocks. It says scrub your way gently to luscious lips. So that's kind of cool, especially if you get chapped lips, whether it's during the summer or the winter. All right, and then here's one other product. This is Rose Petal Toner, and that's nice to get a toner. All right, so let's see if this is a spray. Yep, it's a spray. Smells good too. I'm excited about this box. So the spray toner, so the Rose Petal Toner, it's a spray all over face and gently pat into face. So there you go. So again, here's the Lip Rocks. Then let's see, then we had the Apricot Cleansing Oil. Look how big that is. Then there's the Rose Petal Toner. Nice size here too. It says 2 fluid ounces. Then the Ultra Day Serum. That's the one with the white cap. It's a cute little lamb. And then the Ultra Night Serum. Again, the one with the dark cap. So again, full size. And these boxes, I mean, they last more than the 2 months. So I like the way everything smells. So I'm going to start using this tonight. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Again, this is CNew Skincare. And this, I guess, would be the September-October box because it's for 2 months. Again, the ritual, how to use the products, and then the self-love menu. And again, there's a little coupon code that came here in the back. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe to get further notifications of upcoming unboxings and collages and different tutorials. And I hope you like this. If you have any questions, please let me know. But can't wait to use this. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Have a great Sunday and a great day. Take care. Bye.